So when this house was being set up, I asked my wife and this wonderful team to create me something which is as elegant and as luxurious to the brand which I represent. And they came up with this bar which is so close to me, not only for the products that I have, but also really suiting the whole setup that we have. So thanks to the team for doing this wonderful job, which really makes my brand stand out really well.
So we shifted in this house in July last year, and I was pregnant 8 months. The project we started was in April last year, but then due to lockdown and all, it actually slowed down. But I think thanks to the whole team of It's All About Home, they really worked in a very short span. They knew my condition, and I had told them that I have to shift before my delivery. So I think they did a great job, the whole designing part. And the team came and installed everything. I think it was done in a great manner. So we are really very happy. It's our dream home, and I think the way we wanted, we really got that. Thank you so much.